This is the homework helper for 8th grade, Chapter 7, Section 8, Symmetry. So let's look at the top 6 questions here. The directions for the top 6 questions are all the same. We are supposed to complete the figure, and the dashed line is the line of symmetry. So remember, over the line of symmetry, you'll have a mirror image of what's already been drawn. It doesn't matter if it's left to right or up down, you're going to mirror image the shape over that line. So if we take a look at number 1, as you can see, if we include the dashed line, we have this quadrilateral looking shape that's actually a trapezoid. So we wanted to make the other side look like a trapezoid as well, including the dashed line. But again, it's got to be a mirror image. So we're going to finish off the trapezoid by drawing the sides down and then drawing off the bottom, and we end up with that hexagon with the line of symmetry drawn through the middle. Again, the top is a mirror image of the bottom. Pretend back in like you were in elementary school. Think of this how you first learned it. You took half a sheet of paper and loaded it up with paint. You were probably drawing a butterfly, and then you folded the two pieces together. You created a mirror image, and because the paint was wet, you got the other half side of the butterfly, which looked exactly the same. Then let's go ahead and take a look at number 3 there. In number 3, you've got this police badge looking shape, or at least half of a police badge. So we'll finish off the badge. Again, we're going to make a mirror image. If you're having a hard time seeing it, pretending you're taking this and folding it over to the other side. That's how you're going to make the complete the figure over the line of symmetry. So you've got this curve, and then that piece that kind of looks like it would be the end of a rectangle. And finish off the rectangle, and then it's got some nice curvature to it, and then down here at the bottom, kind of folds in, and there you go. There's your figure completed, reflecting it over the line of symmetry, creating a mirror image. And again, you'll do the same thing in 2 and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom here now. In the bottom, they're asking us to complete the figure, and they're telling us that the point is the center of rotation. So what this means here is that whatever they say, given in terms of a number, something fold, that's how many times you're going to see that shape in a full revolution around, or in other words, a 360-degree turn. So here where they have this arrow and they say 5-fold the number 7, that means in my finished illustration I want to have 5 arrows. And we're going to space them out evenly among a full revolution, a full turn of think of a circle if you need to, full 360 degrees. So if I'm going to have 5 of these arrows in total, which would include this one, right? That means I'm taking a 360-degree turn and dividing it among the 5 arrows there. So we're going to do some division. And when I do 360 divided by 5, 360 divided by 5, divided by 5 is going to change into 72. So every 72 degrees, we're going to see an arrowhead. Now, you can get out whatever measuring tool you want if you want something that's really specific, but as long as it looks like it's spaced evenly, you won't have a problem there. So, one arrow like that, and a second arrow like that, and a third arrow like that, and a fourth arrow like that, and that one on top. 5 arrows, hence the 5-fold, spread over a 360-degree turn, and that's the completed illustration for number 7. And again, each one of those angle measures between adjacent rays there is about 72 degrees. In number 8, where they're asking to do this 4-fold, so that means they want to see 4 of these bold triangles rotated around that center point there. So we're going to have, we want to see 4 of them. We're going to have one to the right, and one going down, and one to the left. Again, you're spreading them equally over a full revolution, equal over 360 degrees, and you see, you basically end up with a windmill. And that's all you're doing there. You'll do the same thing in question number 9 and question number 10.